How to deactivate Threads account. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. Now the process is very easy and simple, so just follow these steps. Go ahead and open up your Threads app, and once you do that, navigate to your profile page by clicking on the profile icon at the bottom right corner. Once you are here, click on the two lines at the top right corner. Then click on account, and here click on deactivate profile. Once you are on this page, it will tell you what will happen when you deactivate your profile and give you some information. It's kind of a confirmation window. So click on deactivate threads profile button at the bottom and your account will be deactivated. It's that easy and simple. And keep in mind that this will not affect your Instagram account. So this deactivation will be separate. Only your Threads account will be deactivated and not your Instagram account. So that was it for this video. That's how you can deactivate your Threads account. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.